Hey folks, I wanted to make something that I recently had at a Mediterranean restaurant. There was a buffet, and one of the things they had was a chickpea salad, and it was it was a Mediterranean style chickpea salad. It wasn't very complicated, but it was really good. I really enjoyed it, and I wanted to come up with one of my own and add one of my favorite ingredients, which is more Middle Eastern, which is sumac. So I did some experimenting and came up with a recipe. Here's how I made it. Stay tuned. I'm going to give it a taste and let you know how it turned out. Okay, I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then this is 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Then we got a teaspoon of oregano, and then we've got a half a teaspoon here of onion powder, garlic powder, and sumac, which is my favorite. It's very common in Middle Eastern dishes, and I just love it. It has a nice earthy, lemony, zesty flavor. And then I'm just going to give this a good whisk. Combine all these ingredients. We'll add some salt to taste later. Okay. Let's give it a taste. Yep, it's perfect. If you wanted it spicy, you could add some crushed red pepper flakes at this point. Now I've got a 16-ounce can of chickpeas and a green pepper, a whole green pepper that I've finely minced up. And then I'm just going to toss in the this olive oil and lemon mixture, and then give it a good mix. This is basically the same salad that I had at Damasi's Mediterranean restaurant. It just had like the same ingredients: chickpeas and green peppers and spices. Okay, tastes really good. Does need some salt though, so this is salt to taste. I'm not adding any black pepper because I didn't notice any black pepper in the restaurant that I had, but you could add it if you wanted. So let's give this a good mix, and then we'll give it a taste, see if it needs any more salt. And nope, doesn't need anything more. Okay, I'm gonna move this over to a container and then refrigerate it for at least an hour. And here it is. Been refrigerated for about an hour, and from our earlier tests, this is much better the next day. Like pretty much anything else, those flavors really come together. So this is good right now, but tomorrow it will be even better. So let's give it a try. Okay, let's give it a try with this little bitty tiny fork. The heck with it. Really good. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. I really like this. Just the lemon juice, the olive oil, the basic seasonings, and that sumac just really gives it such a great flavor. I love sumac. Well, there you have it, folks. This is a classic chickpea salad using Mediterranean and Middle Eastern ingredients. Make it yourself, and if you do, let me know. Let me know how you liked it, how it turned out. Thanks for watching.